Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Michael, and as a lot of you probably know if you follow my Instagram, I just got a 1966 Mustang to go along with the 1967 convertible. Mine is a coupe, however. So instead of just posting a bunch of pictures, I figured I'd just take a video, walk around, show you exactly what I got. So here it is. It's a 1966 Mustang coupe. It came from California, so it's rust free except for some surface rust. Some nice patina there. Original interior. I already took the carpet out, as you can see. Solid floors, original paint on the floors. Needs new seats, new carpet obviously, new dash pad, steering wheel. Whole interior needs to be redone, but it's nothing we can't handle here on the channel. It is originally candy apple red is the original color. It's not going to get painted right now just because this is kind of going to be a budget build for the channel. See exactly what we can do with as cheap as we can. Currently I don't have any keys to it. The previous owner had lost the keys, so I have new ignition, new door locks, new trunk locks coming. They should be here today. Hopefully we can get those put in later today. It's got the 289 two-barrel engine in it, C code. I would show you the engine, but I am currently stuck out of the engine right now. The hood won't come up. It was coming up, now it's stuck down, so have to get that figured out. Once we get that opened, I'll show you the engine bay. So it's been a few days. I finally got the hood open. As you can see, just your standard 289 C code two-barrel. The car did come with factory AC, which was nice. Compressor's not locked up or anything. It's got the tag still on the back, which is great. The car, I talked to the original owner, or the second owner who bought it in 1971, and she said it hasn't been started in 12 years. So this is going to be interesting to take the valve covers off and see what's under there. So you guys will get to see that with me for the first time, and see if this engine has to come out before we can start. Good news, just got it broke free. Haven't taken it off yet, so let's go ahead, take it off, see what it looks like. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, that is not bad at all. I can deal with that. That's real good looking. Yeah, that is good news. It's a win for the day, folks. That is a W. So it's been a few days since I last updated you guys on the car, even though it's in the same video. Just been a terrible YouTuber right now. But not much has changed. We're in the garage with the 66 right now. 67. We're in the garage with the 67. The 66 is still out in the street. Still doesn't run. Last time I talked to you, I think the door locks were in. The new door locks. The trunk lock is in. It currently doesn't really work right. It opens the trunk, but there's a pin that goes in the trunk lock that's not in it right now, and when the pin's in, the trunk doesn't open. So Scott Drake is sending him a new trunk lock. We got the old ignition out the other day. The ignition switch, we're having trouble mounting it to the bezel. Hopefully we'll get that solved within the next day and get the new ignition in, but it won't start. And here's the reason why. The carburetor is froze up. So as it sits on the car, if you're looking at the front, it sits on it like this. Right here, this is where the throttle connects. As you can see, it won't move. I guess I'll show you here on the 67 because they're both two barrels. So it sits on there like that, and then you got your throttle here that puts gas in. Well, this one doesn't move, and the reason why is because these little, I guess, valves, essentially, they are rusted or corroded in place. So this whole carburetor is going to get sent off to get rebuilt tomorrow. It's going to take about 2 weeks, the guy said. Hopefully it'll come back looking all nice and pretty. We'll put it on the engine. Hopefully it'll run. I got a new gas tank coming this week on Wednesday, hopefully. So we'll get the new gas tank in, get the new fuel line in. I've already got those. And then we'll probably take the carburetor off the 67 just to see if we can get that car started, because if that car doesn't start, major problems then. The engine will probably have to come out. We got it turned over. I'll throw that video in right now. So it turns over, the motor's not locked up, but not in that video. We turned it over again and we heard some knocking, which was a little concerning from the back of the motor. So I need to take the valve covers off and turn it over and see if the push rods are getting oil through them, and if they are, we'll just put the battery in, get fuel in it, see if it starts, and hopefully don't destroy the motor. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Check back in for the next video of hopefully starting the car. So thanks for watching. See you next time.